we'll begin our review by looking at number 1. In this problem, you need to make sure and read what they want carefully. What they want is the coefficient, so the number in front of x cubed. So that's both for the first and second parts of number 1. So let's do the first part first. We know that we want x to be cubed. So we are going to use the binomial theorem for a specific term, which is n choose r, a to the n minus r, and b to the r. Now we know n because they give it to us. Our exponent here is n. And we know a and we know b. What we don't know is r. And we have 3 choices to figure it out. Those are all the same thing. They didn't give us the number of the term, so we can't get that one. They did not give us, there's no x in this first term, so we can't figure out this r. On the last one, here's our x. We need that to be to the 3rd power. So on the end, we need this r to be a 3. So we can write this. N is 5, r is 3, a is 1 to the n minus r, and b is x positive, so I don't need to worry about the sign. I need that to be cubed. So all I need to do in my calculator is 5 choose 3. 5 choose 3 is 10. 1 squared is 1. X cubed is x cubed. So the coefficient on x cubed is 10. 10 is my answer because they are asking for the coefficient. The second one is very similar. Let's bring this up a little bit. Except for we're going to have to do it, work backwards a little bit more than we did in the first one. So we still want the coefficient of x cubed. Those are still our directions. But this time, the x is not in the second spot. It is in the first spot. So x is a. So when we're looking at, goodness, let's fix that. When we are looking at n choose r, a to the n minus r, b to the r, this is the one where we are going to plug in 2x too. And we need 2x to be cubed. So we need n minus r to be a 3. We know n is 8. 8 minus what is 3? 8 minus 5 is 3. So n is 8 and r is 5. So we can fill that in. So we are going to have 8 choose 5, 2x cubed, and -1, be careful with that sign, you do need to bring it over to the 5th. So in our calculator, we'll do 8 choose 5, which is 56. 2 cubed is 8. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So we have 8x cubed. -1 to the 5th. So negatives to an odd power are going to stay negative. So that is -1. And then we need to multiply all of these together. So 56 times 8 times -1 is a negative 448. X cubed, we need to make sure that we are saying that our answer is the coefficient. The number in front is our answer. So -448 is our answer for this one, and we have solved both of these problems.